Hey. I'm working on the Camaro, believe it or not. That video is coming up soon. But it's 2022 now. I just wanted to say, to the 700 new subscribers I got this year, thanks for watching the channel. Did some fun stuff this year. Bought the Blazer, broke the drag record in the Beretta, got a new Beretta, got the LS for the new Beretta, played with the truck doing burnouts. Gambler 500, another one coming up here in 2 weeks. I did do some new merch here. I got a few things available. These t-shirts you can get in any color. I wanted to try out the tie-dye here. The ZF6, so you got a different color ZF6. You can get whatever color you want. I got a couple ideas for more t-shirts. I'll put those in here. There are t-shirts, sweatshirts, tank tops. I mean, you can get whatever you want, whatever color you want. And I get a few bucks from each shirt sold. If you want to buy some, awesome. This year, I think we should have no problem hitting the 1,000 subscriber threshold that it takes. When you get stuck watching ads that are on my channel, I'll actually make some cash from them. Continue to funnel that cash into the cars. At some point, if this channel is self-funding, where it will just pay for the fun stuff, I'll be cool with that. Or maybe I can buy a racetrack in Florida or something. That would be cool too. But that's a long way from now. But anybody who has watched the channel this year, I appreciate you watching. And drop a comment and let me know what you thought was cool this year, what you'd like to see. And let me know what you didn't like, if you thought anything was boring, whatever. I'm always open for criticism. Whatever. I mean, I drive a Beretta. I get criticized all the time. One of the goals for this year, get this thing driving. Get paint on it. Once the paint is on it, it'll be pretty quick to assemble it back together. Everything is already fabricated, built, ready to go. It just needs paint. And then also be doing burnouts in the Beretta. That is not that far away. Since I'm not getting the Beretta perfect, that should go a hell of a lot quicker. And I've already got the rear end pretty much done. Rear suspension's all figured out. Everything's already figured as far as how that LS is going to fit in the engine bay and raise that floor. So I don't think we're too off from getting that one going either. I got some truck projects coming up this year too. So I've got the metal clutch pedal to put in. I've got the Avalanche tailgate, the embossed Chevrolet on it to put on my regular truck tailgate. And I've also got these Chevy Express mirrors that have the dual glass and the turn signal in them to make those fit. I think those will look pretty good. Picked up some new gear for my buddy too. So this is a zoom camera, which I've been needing for a while. This is a GoPro 7 to go with my 8 and plus a Session. I got like 4 of them. I'm messaging a guy right now actually about a new project. It is a 2-door, half-ton Blazer, Tahoe, whatever you want to call it. It's 94, so I think it's called a Blazer. But it's the same GMT 400 style as my old truck. And if I can score that, that will be sweet. It's got a rod knock, so that'll be getting a 5.3 LS. And hopefully that works out. The dude's pretty sketchy. The pictures are kind of old, so I don't know if it's going to work or not. But hopefully there'll be a video up soon, me going and grabbing another project.